came from Stockton Chevrolet. He was an oil change guy.
Oh, really?
That's all he ever did.
He was working there. South
And
of.
he worked with me and he learned all kinds of stuff. And he was doing real good. And then he got all caught up in drugs and it destroyed his life.
Yeah, cute little old boy, too. It's a shame.
I had to fire him because they couldn't watch it no more. Thing flies so nice.
Huh?
Thing flies so nice.
Yeah, but he's been at it a long time, Brett.
Yeah, I wouldn't fly that good if I was flying.
Yeah, you would. Practice makes perfect. But he's always been around
I
here.
was flying and probably hit one of us or something.
He's been around aviation most of his life. So he got into cars. Make a living. It's hard work, though.
Yeah, cars stink. We're working on airplanes. You don't make they should make the same amount of money.
I think
That's
Winwood.
cars anymore.
Yeah, I think Winwood's making $28 at Northwest. He's making good money. But he wasn't happy there.
You go with a nice dealership though. And car dealership is 20. You can get 28 too. In cars. It's too close. Airplane people ought to make like $50 an hour or something.
Yep.
I was watching how they make it on TV this morning, on them shows. They had an Airbus, a balloon.